In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 without BIOS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, to start, you can check to see the status of virtualization by opening up Task Manager and going to the Performance tab. In Performance under your CPU, you will find virtualization and Hyper-V support. So as you can see, for me currently it is disabled. So in order to enable virtualization or check to see if your particular PC or laptop is capable of having virtualization enabled, press Windows plus R and look for optional features like this, no space in between. So look for the Run window or open it up by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard and then go to Optional Features. In here, you will see a bunch of things that you can enable or disable on Windows. The ones that you are looking for are going to be Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. So all that you have to do now is enable these. As you can see, according to the description, this one at the bottom enables virtualization software to run on the Windows hypervisor, and this one on top enables platform support for virtual machines. So all that you have to do is tick them like this and click OK. Now, I'm not going to do it for this particular video because, as you saw previously, my machine or my PC has it disabled, but all that you have to do is enable both of these, and it should turn on virtualization after you reboot your PC. If the status does not change and it is still disabled, then sadly you might have to go into the BIOS to get it done, or alternatively your particular hardware is not capable of using virtualization. If all else fails, I highly recommend going into the BIOS and changing it there. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.